According to Bohr's postulate, centripetal force CPF is equal to mv square divided by r. Centripetal force necessary for electron of mass m in hydrogen atom to revolve in second circular orbit, means principal quantum number n equal to 2. Second circular orbit around the nucleus as a center is E is charge on electron, H is Planck's constant, and epsilon 0 is permittivity of free space. Now, we know CPF is equal to mv square by r, but what is the formula for V? V is equal to E square upon 2 epsilon 0 nh. That is the velocity with which electron is revolving around the nucleus in hydrogen atom, and the radius of electron in nth Bohr orbit, it is epsilon 0 n square h square divided by pi me square. Now put the value of V and R in the expression for centripetal force. So F becomes equal to mass as it is V square, means it is E square divided by 2 epsilon 0 nh whole square into 1 upon R, means it is epsilon 0 n square h square divided by pi me square. So that is equal to m into, now square it, so e raised to 4 divided by 4 epsilon 0 square n square h square into pi me square divided by epsilon 0 n square h square, epsilon 0 n square h square, and if you just simplify it, then you will get centripetal force is equal to pi m square e raised to 6 divided by pi m square e raised to 6 divided by 64, because you have to put the value of n is equal to 2. So 64 epsilon 0 cube into what? H raised to power 4. So centripetal force is equal to centripetal force of electron in second Bohr orbit. Centripetal force of electron in second Bohr orbit is pi m square e raised to 6 upon 64 epsilon 0 cube into h raised to 4 So pi m square e raised to 6 upon 64 epsilon 0 cube h raised to 4. So D is the correct option for this question. D is the correct option for this question.